Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetrading.com. Let me show you what happened today. Not today, yesterday, actually, March 27th, Monday, right? Monday, March 27, 2023. So 6 trades, 5 or 6 trades, 6 trades, I think, right? So let's see one by one. This is pound yen 20-minute. This is like a Renko chart builder. So buy order is right there, and SL move to break even plus. This is March 27. It's for 155 pip. This is the entry. This is by the book entry with my system, the creative trading system, which has like 4 rules to follow. And once they are there, then I pull the trigger. If not, then nothing, no trades, right? So, and you will see every single trade is according to the setup. This yellow line is above the black. This indicates all the way down, blah, 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 4, 5 conditions. And I have made an alarm, alarm, expert advisor alarm, which beeps when all those 5 conditions are there, like here. See, CDS5 alarm. So that lets me know that, okay, yeah, you have a setup ready, and then come and take the trade. So that's how I take the trade. So this is the first one. The second one is euro yen. Again, same buy here, SL move to break even. You see that? Yellow is above the black. This indicates all the way down. Exactly the same setup. This was a setup as well, and then this one as well. Now this one is crude oil. You can see here from $69.55 to $73. This was a beautiful setup here. This was an entry here. This was an entry here. This was an entry here. This system gives you so many entries every single day, and all the same way. Now this one, and then let's look at this again. This is a second entry from the second computer. You can see the chart. It's a small chart because it's another account on the laptop. And I took that one for 110 pip, and then another entry for pound yen right from here for 130. The one I showed you before was here, from here, 155, and then this one from the other computer is for 130. So every single day that happens. So let me show you just a glimpse. Last week trades, 18 of them. Every single one is according to that. Look, this one, for example. See, that was long, this one's short. Pound yen going down to the short side. And if you see that, this is euro yen, beautiful short entry for how much? 140. This one from 70 to 67. This one right here for 145 pip. Same story again and again and again. Now, this is the system that I have on my website as well. You can get it, you can learn. I do teach this system in my webinars twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern time. Now, not only that, but I also have like session with my subscribers, all the weekly and monthly charts, the setups, and which pair is supposed to go where, and what's supposed to be happening next couple of days. Right, so Sunday webinar covers Monday and Tuesday, then comes Wednesday webinar, and then that comes Thursday and Friday. And I also post my setups and all that on the Telegram, just like this one here. See, I had so many yen trades, four trades today, right? Because then I also post here on the Telegram that yen is getting weaker, and we'll take yen pairs to the upside. So pound yen, euro yen, only those I just showed you, but you can trade CAD yen, Aussie yen. I could have traded all of them, but too many trades open is no good, right? So this is how my system works. So now let me explain to you. A lot of inquiries are coming, so I'm going to explain this. What is my one-on-one coaching? But before that, let's go here. The monthly subscription is only $77 a month, right? And for a year, that is almost like $900, $850 or $900. Now, one-on-one coaching is $1,000, but you see that it has 10 one-hour session with me personally over the Zoom. I will be teaching you every single thing. If you go down here, you can see these harmonic patterns, SNR levels, Elliott wave. Excuse me, Lara's talking. So see this Elliott wave, different head and shoulder, whatever, you know, the Forex have to offer. Every single thing, because I'm doing this for like last 14 years. So I know from 2008, right? So I almost went through everything, right? So what I'm saying is that this covers $1,000 if you sign up like a monthly $77. That equals almost $1,000, $900. But this course, I will be teaching you 10 hours, 1 hour each session, personally over Zoom, and you get the whole year subscription free anyway. So it's like you're just paying for your $77 a month in advance, but you are getting this 10-hour coaching personally over the Zoom free. That's completely, you know, no charge. And that course will make you, such a trader that, you know, trading would be just another day or walking in the park like that. Just like this one, I'm going to show you again. This is only today, pound yen, 130 pip means if with one standard lot, that's $1,300, right? This is gold, but forget about oil, but this is $1,200 right there. In one day, I'm talking about this $1,500, this one. So imagine that you are, paying for $1,000 for coaching, and then you'll be able to do this and then get my help, email support, Telegram. You will be a part of my Telegram. And I put a lot of setups and heads up that, what's happening. The see here today, we are getting ready now to go short again. Yen pairs going downside, UJ making, dropping. And we will look for 20-minute short entries in yen pairs. So I'm going to take these trades today, March 28th, and then I'll post on my website the next day, right? When I close those trades, I'll post them, because like here, you will see current week trades. This is the last week trade, but if you go here, you will see those trades here. Pound Nuzi, 120 pip. Pound yen, 130 pip, 110 pip. Crude oil. This one, 155 pip. This one I forgot. Oh, well, here, 120 pip. So this is only in one day, right? And imagine that how quickly you can cover, and you will have the whole year for free with the Telegram and all of that. All right. So I hope I explained everything, and the people have been asking me. So this video will serve the purpose, I guess, right? So just wanted to show you guys this and how it works. So it's your choice, right? I'm gonna make next video. I'll be making. I just made a video yesterday. I made for oil. Then I made the video about gold. And it's on my, by the way, I have a YouTube channel with almost like more than 1,400 videos so far. I've been posting these videos since 2008, right? 2008, 2009, right? So, so gold analysis, oil analysis, the US dollar analysis, everything is on my website. Not website, the channel, the YouTube channel. Let me hold on. I'll forget about it, man. Let me see. The video is gonna be very long then. All right, so you can just see, you are already on my channel, so you can see. You can just surf through my channel and then see how many videos are there and what kind of analysis I have. So you want to learn this from the beginning the right way. If you learn the right way, then you can do the right way. Because if you, if anybody builds a habit of taking the wrong trades, it is very hard. I teach all the time. I'm doing one-on-one, almost every day. So I know that some people are like, they're stuck with taking the wrong trades and not following my rules. So then, that's happened. So if you learn and then you follow the rules, exactly. See, all my trades are according to the rules. You will see the same setup in all of these trades, and the entry is showing here. So the trade was live when I took this picture. All of these same setup, right? You can learn this. This is not a rocket science, right? And this is the essence. I mean, this is the, you know, what do you call that, you know, my like 14 years of experience right here in this system. You're gonna get it, and you will learn it in within 1 month. Within 1 month, I'll do those 10-hour within 1 month. All right. So this is how it is. I just don't want to make this video long, so I'm gonna be gone. And if you're watching my video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos, next video, as soon as I upload. All right. So bye for now, and see you in my webinar.